Is your PS5 controller refusing to pair with your PC via Bluetooth? Don't throw it out the window just yet, because I'm about to show you how to fix it. First, let's head to your Windows search bar, typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type in Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager app when it appears in the results. Once Device Manager is open, find the Bluetooth category in the list and click the arrow next to it to expand the section. Locate your wireless controller. It might be listed as DualSense wireless controller. Right-click on it and select Uninstall device from the menu that appears. A warning box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall. Confirm the uninstall by clicking the Uninstall button. Now, go to the Action tab at the top of the Device Manager window. Click on Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now reinstall the Bluetooth driver for your controller. Finally, put your controller into pairing mode by holding down the PlayStation button and the Share button until the light bar starts flashing. Now, go to your PC's Bluetooth settings and select your controller from the list of available devices. Click Pair and you should be good to go. Enjoy gaming.